Give rise to fresh bread with the Cosori Original Bread Maker. You'll be adding more than convenience to your baking routine. Choose from 12 original presets. Select the weight and choose a crust color of your liking to create a loaf that's perfect for you. Whether you pick a recipe from our included recipe book or make an entirely new creation of your own, the process couldn't be more simple. Once you gather your ingredients, add them directly to the pan. After that, you can watch the magic happen. Everything from the kneading of the dough to the rising of your loaf is safely and seamlessly taken care of for you. You can even set delayed start and add your ingredients overnight to wake up to fresh bread. Or if you prefer, turn on the keep warm function to ensure your bread is ready exactly when you need it. Whether it's gluten-free treats or a new and improved pizza night, add flavorful possibilities to your home bakery with the Cosori Original Bread Maker.